Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, October 10th. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled The Road Between. To stand up and be warned to something deeper is a pledge that living forces us to keep. I drove 500 miles down the California coast with the mountains on the left and the ocean on the right. For days they spoke to me of standing up and wearing down. Of course I was driving a road we have made down the middle. During the fourth day, the road became a ribbon. It was here it was most beautiful. I found the world out there all in here. And now I know the current of life requires us to stand up again and again. And we are not defeated when we are worn down, just exposed anew at a deeper level. We are meant to live between the two. In this way, life keeps getting more and more precious. It is a natural law like gravity or osmosis. Stand up to be worn bare. It is how everything in the way is thinned, so that we can feel just how thoroughly alive we are. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft and completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix, not yourself, not your breath, not this moment. Everything is good enough just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to bring to mind a time when you stood up to something you had to face. What was it? Breathing deeply, consider in what way this experience wore you down. How did that feel? Now, if you can, name how the standing up and wearing down changed you. How does it affect your life now? What was your experience, your lesson? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Continue remembering those experiences of standing up and being worn down by the experience, and then being changed in some way, forced to go deeper and deeper into your true self. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.